Hello everyone! In this video you will see 3 more ways how to style a silk square scarf like this with an elastic hairband. It will be 3 wow styles, I promise. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and now let's tie a scarf. By the way, you can always slow down the video. Go to the settings, choose playback speed and choose the speed you need. I do it all the time. My scarf is 31 by 31 inches and it has these lovely contrast hems. For the first style, fold your scarf to make a rectangle. Now, let's make a rose on this side. The secret is to involve it very loosely. Now, fix it with a hairband. Now open this part of your scarf. And pass one end through the hairband. You can leave it as is or form a few more petals for your rose, like this. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. Isn't it lovely? For the next style, we will need a triangle fold. Take this part of your triangle and fold it as an accordion. Fix it with a scrunchie. Not too tight. Leave this end straight. This part is going around your neck. And pass one end through the hairband. By the way, I have another video with more styles for this scarf and this hairband, and I will link it at the end and in the description. Now take this part and wrap it around the flower. Fix the end under the scrunchie. I have this beautiful shape on the front and 2 small leaves here. You are ready for a garden party. For the third style, we will need our triangle again. We know how to make a rose already, so let's do it from this part. Don't forget, it shouldn't be too tight. You can leave a little leaf on the side. Fix it with a scrunchie. Now wrap the scarf around your neck. Pass the second end through the hairband. And wrap it again around the rose. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links in the description to some lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. Open up some of the petals. As promised, it's wow! If you want to have more neck scarf ideas, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!